So, good morning children. Hope you have understood the concepts of all grammar topics. And today we are going to start our new session with the textbook. This is your textbook, and whenever I start with the textbook, please do sit with the textbook so that you can read also. Okay. So, now we are going to start our first lesson in the textbook. From today we are going to start our lessons. So let us start with first lesson. I hope you all have sit with the textbooks. Please, I am going to read the part of the textbook, explain it. That's why please do sit with the textbook. Whenever I read the lesson, you have to look into the textbook. And whenever I explain, please look at me and listen to me carefully. This is how you have to follow the process. Okay. So let us start with good morning to all of you. So our first session for today is today onwards our new session starts. We are going to start with our lesson today. Our first lesson is very funny, interesting lesson. The name of our lesson is White Mice. White Mice is our lesson. So, whenever I start with the lesson, I give you hard words first. Then I read the lesson. And I ask you people also to read the lesson. In this way, first learning difficult words, spellings and pronunciation will help you to understand the lesson more easily. It will help you to understand the lesson more easily, and it will help you to read the lesson properly. That's why first let us know the difficult words of this lesson. Maybe more or less I will give you all the words at a time. I am going to give you all the words at a time. And you are writing each word 3 times in your notebook. You are going to write 3 times each word. Leaving a line. You know the process, how we write. Make 2 columns. Write each word 3 times. Leave a line. Then go to the second word 3 times. And follow so on. So, here we start with our new lesson. White Mice. This lesson is all about making pranks with others. How they affect them. Jokes. Practical jokes are called pranks. Understand? We feel happy to put others in trouble. When others feel difficulty or they feel afraid, we feel happy and laugh at them. These are called pranks, but it is not good, I think. My side, I think it is not good. That's what how the pranks are done and how the person on whom prank is being done, how he felt and what they did about it is our lesson. So let us start with the difficult words. I am going to read. This is only for reading. Again I am going to give you the written matter. I am going to give you the written matter. First word is narrated. Narrated. TED, narrated. NARRATED, narrated. Second word will be vacations. VACATIONS, vacations. VACATIONS, vacations. Realizes. REALISES, realizes. REALISES, realizes. Telegram. TELEGRAM, telegram. TELEGRAM, telegram. Invites. 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 Sixth word, miniature. MINIATURE, miniature. MINIATURE, miniature. MINIATURE, miniature. Seventh one is complete. COMPLETE, complete. Signal. Signal. Ninth one is fairground. FAIR, fair. GROUND, ground. Fairground. Roundabout. ROUND, round. ABOUT, about. Roundabout. Ferries. FPRRIS, ferries. Wheel. WHEEL, wheel. Ferris wheel. Tunnels. TUNNELS, tunnels. And next one is rattling. One to go is veranda. VERANDA, veranda. 15. Impressive. IMPRESSIVE, impressive. Arrived. armchair, ARMCHAIR, armchair. Station master, STATION, station, MASTER, master, station master. Colony, COLONY, colony. 20th, lid, LITHE, lid. 21, beamed, (22) commending, 23 compartment, COMPARTMENT, compartment. 4th thrust, THRUST, thrust. Released, released. Screaming, screaming. Wink, First, let us read these words. Then we are going to remaining words. Okay. So, due to some leakage here on the wall, water is dripping on the board. Please don't mind. Okay. Let us start reading the words. Let us start reading the words. First one, NARRATED, narrated. NARRATED, narrated. NARRATED, narrated. NARRATED, narrated. VACATIONS, vacations. VACATIONS, vacations. VACATIONS, vacations. VACATIONS, vacations. REALISES, realizes. REALISES, realizes. REALISES, realizes. TELEGRAM, telegram. TELEGRAM, telegram. TELEGRAM, telegram. TELEGRAM, telegram. INVITES, invites. INVITES, invites. INVITES, invites. MINIATURE, miniature. MINIATURE, miniature. MINIATURE, miniature. COMPLETE, complete. COMPLETE, complete. COMPLETE complete. COMPLETE complete. SIGNAL signal. SIGNAL signal. SIGNAL signal. FAIR fair. GROUND ground. Here two words together are joined together to make a single word. Two different words are joined together to make a single word. Such words are called compound words. Compound means mixed together. Two words mixed together make the single word. So many words we have in the lesson. I will explain them when I teach you the lesson. Here we got few in the hard words. FAIR GROUND fairground. This is a compound word. FAIR fair GROUND ground. Fairground. FAIR GROUND fairground. ROUND round. ABOUT about. This word also is made of two words. Two words joined here. What? Round and about. To make a single word. ROUND round. ABOUT about. Round about. ROUND round. ABOUT about. Round about. ROUND round. ABOUT about. Round about. FERRIS ferris. WHEEL wheel. Ferris wheel. FERRIS ferris. WHEEL wheel. Ferris wheel. FERRIS ferris. WHEEL wheel. Ferris wheel. TUNNELS tunnels. TUNNELS tunnels. TUNNELS tunnels. TUNNELS tunnels. RATTLING rattling. RATTLING rattling. RATTLING rattling. RATTLING rattling. VERANDA veranda means gallery children. VERANDA veranda. VERANDA veranda. IMPRE SSIVE impressive. IMPRE SSIVE impressive. IMPRE SSIVE impressive. IMPRE SSIVE impressive. ARRIVED arrived. ARRIVED arrived. ARRIVED arrived. ARRIVED arrived. ARM CHAIR chair. Armchair. It is also one more compound word. ARM CHAIR chair. Armchair. ARM CHAIR chair. Armchair. STATION station. MASTER master. Station master. STATION station. MASTER master. Station master. This is also one more compound word. STATION station. MASTER master. COLONY colony. COLONY colony. COLONY colony. LITH lith. I write this word here to make it clear. LITH lith. LITH lith. LITH lith. BEAMED beamed. BEAMED beamed. BEAMED beamed. COMMENDING commending. COMMENDING commending. COMMENDING commending. COMMENDING commending. COMPARTMENT compartment. COMPARTMENT compartment. compartment, 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 thrust, 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 released, 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 SCRE, here it is, SCREAMING, 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 WINK, wink, this also you can write here, WINK, 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 wink. Few more words are remaining. Let us write this side once again. So only this side I am going to write. Next word, sleeve, 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 popped out, POPPED, popped, OUT, out, popped out, POPPED, popped, OUT, out, popped out, beneath, 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 convinced, paisama, PYJAMA, paisama, PYJAMA, paisama, convinced, 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 convinced. Next, transferred, 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 transferred. Panic, last word, panic, 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 panic. So let us read them once again. So SLEEVE, 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 POPPED, popped out, POPPED, popped out, BENEATH, 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 PYJAMA, paisama, PYJAMA, paisama, CONVINCED, 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 TRANSFERRED, 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 PANIC, 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 panic. These are the hard words we have got. They are simple to read. Still we have to learn their spellings and write them in this way. Oh, what I say? We have got so many words, up to 34 words. You are writing each word 3 times in your notebook. Make 2 or 3 columns according to the word space, or better do only 2 columns. Write here one word 3 times, leave a line, then write the second word 3 times, then leave a line, then write third word 3 times and leave a line, so on. You continue with all other words. So these are the difficult words I have given to you. These are the difficult words I have given to you in this lesson. This lesson is about the prank on any person. So hard words are given. You have to write and learn them. Then now only I am reading the lesson once. So you can follow me. Please open the textbook, put a finger on the line and listen to me. This will help you to read the lesson. After learning the words, you are also going to read the lesson at home today, and tomorrow after explanation is over also you are going to read the lesson. So let me start. The story is narrated by a little boy. He was to return to his parents after his summer vacations. His uncle Ken, who comes to the station to see him off, puts him on the wrong train. When the boy realizes the mistake his uncle made, he gets down at Lucknow and sends a telegram to his grandfather. The kind station master, Mr. Ghosh, keeps the boy safe till his grandfather reaches Lucknow and invites him to his house. So, Mr. Ghosh's house was just behind the station. He brought me a cup of sweet milky tea and 2 large rasgullas. Now, let me show you my family, he said, and he took me by the hand and led me to a veranda at the back of the house. There was a miniature railway, complete with a station, railway bungalows, signal boxes, and next to it a miniature fairground, complete with swings, a roundabout, and a Ferris wheel. 15 to 20 white mice were dancing on the roundabout and the Ferris wheel. Another dozen also ran in and out of tunnels and climbed up on a toy train. Mr. Ghosh pressed a button and the little train, crowded with white mice, left the station and went rattling off to the far corner of the veranda. It was all so impressive. By the time grandfather arrived, I had fed biscuits to the mice and fallen asleep in a huge armchair in Mr. Ghosh's living room. I woke up to find the station master busy showing grandfather his little railway colony of white mice. Grandfather was interested in the toy train, but he said polite things about the mice, commending their pink eyes and pretty lead feet. Mr. Ghosh beamed with pleasure and sent out for more rasgullas. Let us take the word pleasure, happiness. P-L-E-A-S-U-R-E, pleasure. P-L-E-A-S-U-R-E, pleasure. When grandfather and I had started into the compartment of a train. Late that night, Mr. Ghosh came to the window to say goodbye. As the train began moving, he thrust a cardboard box into my hands and said, "A present for you and your grandfather." More rasgullas, I thought. Later, when the train was underway and I lifted the lid of the box, I found two white mice asleep on a bed of cotton wool. Back in Dehra, I kept the white mice in their box. I had plans for them. After dinner, I slipped into my uncle's room and released the mice under his bed sheet. An hour later, we all had to leap out of our beds when Uncle Ken dashed out of his room, screaming that something soft and furry was running about inside his clothes. Well, off with the clothes, said grandfather. Well, off with the clothes, said grandfather, giving me a wink. He had a good idea of what had happened. After Uncle Ken had danced a tap dance, one white mouse finally came out from the clothes, but the other had run up the sleeve of his paisama coat and suddenly popped out beneath his chin. Uncle Ken started to panic, convinced that his room was full of mice, pink, white and brown. He locked himself in the storeroom and slept on an old sofa. Next day, grandfather took me to the station and put me on the train to Delhi. It was the right train this time. I will look after the white mice, he said. Good grandfather grew quite fond of the mice and even wrote Mr. Ghosh asking if he could spare another pair. But Mr. Ghosh, he learned later, had been transferred to another part of the country and had taken his family of white mice with him. This is the lesson. Hope you could get some idea of the lesson. I gave you hard words and just write the lesson. Tomorrow I will explain you the lesson. So here I stop. Thank you.